By far, the most common question I get asked is why does my Insta360 X4 videos look so bad? In this video, let's solve all your complaints. Complaint number one is my video is blurry, and that's because your lenses are dirty. So get the lens cloth that came in the original box and give your lenses a good clean before you record a shot. This is such a simple solution, but very often overlooked. My video is not sharp, so use these camera settings. In 360 video mode, filming 8K 30 frames per second. In the image settings, set the video encoding to H.265, the bitrate to high, and the video sharpness to medium. I don't have time to edit my videos. Along with the settings I mentioned previously, change the color profile to vivid, and now the video coming straight out of the X4 is color graded and ready to upload onto social media. My video is noisy and grainy, and that's because the X4 is using a high ISO setting in auto exposure mode. The ISO needs to be set as low as possible to get the cleanest looking video. So how do you force the X4 to use the lowest ISO setting? Well, you need to film where there is lots of light. So like outdoors on a bright sunny day. And if you're filming indoors, then bring lights with you to make the place brighter, or move next to a window, or go somewhere else where there's more lights. Those are all the basic things you can do to improve your video in auto exposure mode. But if you want to shoot like a pro, then you'll need to choose the correct ISO setting in manual exposure mode, but more on that later. My video has micro jitters. There are two possible reasons. The first reason is because you are moving the X4 too suddenly, or you are rotating the X4 too quickly. The stitch line is visible. Now there are two reasons for this. The first reason is because the area in between the lenses is facing the thing that you are filming. So for example, if you are filming a building, the lens of the X4 should face the building. And as you walk past the building, it's okay to rotate the X4 so the lens is always focusing on the building. Then it's impossible for a stitch line error to occur on the building itself. The second reason is because you are filming too close to the stitch line of the X4. The X4 has a safety distance of 60 centimeters. So if you're filming within 60 centimeters of the stitch line, then something is going to get cut off. If you're filming further than 60 centimeters away from the stitch line, then the stitching will be okay. The selfie stick is not invisible. There are two sides to a selfie stick. Touchscreen up, touchscreen down. You are going to do a test shot with the selfie stick fully extended in front of you. Record a 5-second shot with the touchscreen up, turn over the selfie stick so the touchscreen is down, and record for another 5 seconds. Then you're going to play the footage back, and you will find that one side is more invisible than the other. Then the next time you record a video, you just need to remember whether it's touchscreen up or touchscreen down. The 3-meter selfie stick is visible, and that's because it's a really long and bendy stick. But there are 3 things you can do to improve this. When you fully extend the selfie stick, at every joint, just push the stick in a little bit to make those joints a little bit stronger. Hold the selfie stick out in front of you very still. Don't wave it about because this will cause the bend to show up in the final footage. And thirdly, hold the X4 in the vertical position, and this will create a vertical stitch line which will hide the selfie stick. And to make sure the stitch line does not cut your body out, move the selfie stick away from your body. There is too much wind noise in the audio. You see these ears on the X4? This is the Insta360 mic wind muff, and this will reduce the amount of wind noise in your internal audio quality. If you want to vlog with the X4 and get crisp and clear audio, don't point the X4 in front of you, bring it close to you and talk. My video is blurry and not seamless underwater, and that's because you need to put your X4 in the invisible dive case to get seamless 360 video and good sharpness underwater. Without the dive case, you will get stitching errors which cannot be fixed in editing. The video is distorted and curved in the app. In editing, if you want to straighten up the lines so it doesn't look curved or distorted, add a keyframe and use the dewarp field of view and this will straighten up all the lines, but it will zoom in significantly. The video does not look 8K. 8K is the entire sphere of 360 video. The more I zoom into the video, the more 8K resolution is lost. Now it's only at about 2.7K resolution at best. That's just how 360 video works. So to retain as much 8K resolution as possible, zoom out as much as you can to cram as much resolution into your shot as possible. My videos look pixelated on social media, and this is a problem with the social media platforms, not the X4 or the Insta360 app. So let me show you how I upload my shorts online to get the best video quality possible. In the Insta360 app, I will export the shot using custom settings at 4K resolution at the highest bitrate and tap export. Wait for the shot to export. Then I'll go into CapCut, create a new project, add my shot along with BTS footage from my phone, and then here I will add my text and graphics. I will use the 1080p export template, tap export, and then upload the video onto social media. That's all the tips for today. Hit the like button if you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video.